Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, that we are here in the daily candles. So as you see, that daily candle was it showing to us here. Today it came a little bit of redness or red. Let's make it like that. So the market is showing here a little bit drop. Why? Because the retail sales came, the data of retail sales of USA plus the inflation of UK. The inflation of UK to reach very, very high. It's 11.1, I think. So that huge inflation, guys. And if you remember, guys, what I used to tell you before, I used to tell you, boss, we're still in the door of the winter, guys. And I told you all the Western world, they are cold countries, and all of them, they need gas of Russia, and that things which is happening now, it's not good thing. That way me being telling you it's not yet, and that was it showing here the market, guys. Till now it's still very, very early here. Not fundamental here, technical analysis, also we still inside the range of that inside bar, the one we don't break the lower of it here and we don't break the top of it here. We're going to stay sideways here for some time, guys. So for day traders and scalpers, it's good opportunity for you to start scalping from down to up, but for long-term investors is a very, very, very good opportunity for you to start buying slowly by slowly or DCA. For long-term investors, just DCA. You don't know where is the bottom. If it fall down, you're going to buy more. If from here we go up, you're benefiting from all those things. Everything is too clear, guys. So for long-term investors, start buying slowly by slowly. Every week buy some, every month buy some, till the bus started going up. Everything is too clear? By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be notified when also we put in a new video. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is it in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube if you want. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, we tell you here in the daily chart, we got here a divergence. Here it's very, very clear divergence, and our indicator is it here at the oversold area, but the price action is that inside bar, guys. It hasn't been broken yet. It's need that inside bar to be broken upward, guys, for us to thinking of to enter long. Till now there is no entry, guys. It might from that level where we are, you're going to see the Bitcoin breaking the lower here and falling down more, guys. So here, that one, it's just an oscillator, guys. You don't need to base your trading because of an oscillator or an indicator. Those ones, majority of them, they just help you, but not to give you the right signal. There is no indicator in the world he give you the right moment to enter. All of them delaying, guys. It might enter to the oversold and it stay there for months and the market is still falling, and we show it to you here. So you need to make a close eye at those things. There is no indicator. It's working 100%. All of them delaying, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing there. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, please, helping us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, what else we said here we have? We said here we have a wage like that. That's what else we said before. Yes or no? And before, what else we said here? Here, exactly here in that zone. We said we used to have here a wage. It's break it here. And what me I told you in the last 2 videos, guys. I told you, even if it's breaking that wage, don't even thinking of to enter. Even if it's break it here, don't even thinking of to enter. Why? It's breaking here. Look at it. Now it's showing it's going down. Why me I told you don't enter? I told you that level here, that one. If it doesn't being broke, don't even ever thinking of to enter, because that level here is very, very stronger level, guys. Look at it here. When it came the news over here, it tried to catch here in that zone. Then when it fall down till down here, it go back to there. Then it show you here a rejection. So we don't want to go back in the past. just here. Look here in that two places. He just came like that and you draw in here a square like that. From that zone here, last time he tried from here to go back up. Then over here, he show you it's going to fall down. By the way, to learn how to draw those supply and demand zones and to read the chart, down below in the first comment there is our highly recommended technical analysis course. It's going to teach you all those things, and that course, as it in Udemy, is not expensive. Also, we don't selling courses by $1,000 and $2,000. It's only $13 if you're using the link down. I think it's a very good deal for you. And you know, as majority of you, Udemy is not an expensive place. Also, we make it by $13, guys. It's just like a support from you, because $13 is nothing. It's just the price of a cup of coffee, and that course is better than million of courses they sell it to you online by $1,000 and $2,000. Everything is too clear, guys. So also we told you that level here, it's need to be broken. If it doesn't being broke, there is no entry. Yeah, remember that. So tell now what the market is showing. It came here. Now it's showing here a rejection. And may I tell it to you before? I told you over here, those small players deploying together. They try to scalp the market from here to here, like that. As you see it came here. Now it's showing a rejection. It's going down here. So till now it's still early, guys. But if that market breaking here, that one here, if it came a candle and closing below here, the Bitcoin is going to fall down, guys. But here is the same thing. You need to make a close eye at that level here. That one here. It needs to be broken, that one. Everything is too clear. Why all those things, guys? It's our chart, what it's telling us. If you remember, also we got here a level, that the level of pushing up, and that one here. And in the top, we got in that level, and that one here is a downtrend. And in the last video, I explained everything for you, because the downtrend, it's being down. Then Bitcoin it tried to break it, but it show a false breakout. Now it go back inside it. So now for us to know the Bitcoin is going to fall down, and you can enter short here if the Bitcoin came and breaking here. If it's breaking here, a candle came, the body of it came like that and closing here, down here, enter short, down in that level here. As you see, the tails of those candles here. Enter short here in the 4 hours by your eyes, they are closed. Target is at 12K. If there is nothing, don't never ever thinking of to enter short, guys. Now I'm talking here about swing traders, not long-term traders. Everything is too clear? Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you remember, from here we said it's going to reverse. It came now to that wall here. It's showing there a rejection like that. But the volume is very, very, very low, guys. So there is no pushing down, no pushing up. Also, we're still in a sideways market. And what else we said before, people being with us. Also, we said over here, the sellers, they controlling, or the bears, they controlling here in that zone. And over here, the bulls, they controlling. So us now where we are here, whereas the bears, they controlling. So till now, there is no buying. And also, we're still in a downtrend. So in the daily, also, we are in a downtrend. In the 4 hours, also, we are in a downtrend. I think the picture is getting too clear to you. So if you are a scalper or a day trader, try to enter only short. There is no buying. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, us, we are here at the oversold area. There is no price action here indicating for us if we need to enter long. So we need to wait in a little bit. And as I showed you before, you got that the peak, it needs to be broken. Till now it doesn't being broke. So there is no entry yet, guys. You need to wait a little bit. And here the price it try to give you here like a wage. I know you're going to find online a lot of people telling you that, but not yet, guys. And I told you if it came and break it lower, it's going to fall down more, guys. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring for us. And today that exchange Gemini, another part of it, his name Genesis, that where is those traders they earning interest, is a lending platform. They stop withdrawing or they halt withdrawing from it. So all US exchanges, they are in big problems, or all US crypto exchanges, they are in big problems those days, because the majority of them, those people that created those exchanges, they are all bankers, or they used about one system. What can we say? The system of Western world or capitalism. Let's not blame it only Western world, because it's a capitalism world. That system is based about the person who earn a lot is the exchange or the bank. Because when you put in your money in the bank, what the bank do by then? The bank take that money and lend it to other people. So the bank is him earning money. and he give you a little bit from that interest, but the big part they took at the bank. The same thing here. It's happening here. The exchanges that what did win. You put your crypto there, then they lend it to other people and they earn an interest from it. I think the picture is too clear, but all US exchanges, they are in big problems those days. That's why me I told you guys the Bitcoin it came or crypto it can for something is named decentralized. Also, we don't want any centralized thing. So that's why I told you every time move your crypto to a hard wallet is not connected to the internet. You're going to be in the safe side. You don't care about nothing. All that news is nothing, guys. Bitcoin is going to survive, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, what did I told you here? Here we used to have here a wedge like that. And I told you if it's breaking here lower, you enter short. Look where we are now. You are in profit, guys. I'm talking here about day traders and scalping, guys. Last video, you can find it still in the channel. From here, I told you to enter short. Look where you are now. You are in profit, guys. And where did I told you to take profit? I told you down here. Yes, now you need to start protecting yourself, but I think it's going to fall down till here, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator is telling you need to start it to take some profit because is it here at the oversold area. So protect yourself. If you are a scalper and a day trader, you need to know what you're doing because scalping and day trading is not like long-term investment. You just buy and forget about it. Scalping and day trading, when you are in profit, you need to look profit. That's something different, guys. So now us here, what we need to do, we need to look in for buy opportunity. Do you see any price action here indicating for you to buy? No, my friend, there is nothing here. So we need to wait until the daily candle finish it. And I'm going to come back to you by another video. So guys, that's it for that video. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.